Hello and welcome to Krisham French Learning. In my today's video, we learn how to speak formal way in French. So friends, let's start. Mr. Brown. Bonjour madame. Hello madame. Madame Sophie. Bonjour. Monsieur. Good morning sir. Mr. Brown. Je m'appelle Max Brown. My name is Max Brown. Madame Sophie. Enchanté Monsieur Brown. Nice to meet you, Mr. Brown. Où habites-vous? Means where do you live? Mr. Brown. Je habite à Lyon. I live in Lyon. Madame Sophie. À Lyon? Et quel âge avez-vous? In Lyon. And how old are you? Mr. Brown. J'ai 40 ans. I am 40 years old. Madame Sophie. Merci, Mr. Brown. On vous rappelle. Thank you, Mr. Brown. We will call you back. À demain. See you tomorrow. Mr. Brown. Merci, madame. Thank you, madam. À demain. See you tomorrow. So, that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.